The biggest mistakes people make. This is where most people get burned. Mistake number 1, applying without a strategy. Mistake number 2, maxing out cards immediately. Mistake number 3, ignoring utilization ratios. Mistake number 4, missing or late payments. Mistake number 5, using the money without a revenue plan. Credit card stacking magnifies outcomes. If your plan is weak, the damage compounds fast. How to use credit card stacking responsibly. Responsible stacking looks like this. Keep utilization under control. Make payments before statement dates. Use funds for income-generating activities. Track every dollar. Plan your exit before you enter. This strategy works best when paired with cash flow management, clear ROI expectations, timelines for payoff or refinancing. Smart businesses don't just access capital, they control it. Legal and ethical considerations. Let's be clear. Credit card stacking is legal when done honestly and transparently. What's not okay? Misrepresentation on applications, using personal credit irresponsibly, treating credit like free money. Banks track behavior. So do bureaus, and so does your future self. Credit card stacking is not magic, it's not a shortcut, and it's definitely not free money. But when used correctly, it can be a bridge from idea to execution, from stall to scale, from survival to strategy. The question isn't, can I get the credit? The real question is, do I have the discipline to deserve it? If this helped you understand credit card stacking more clearly, subscribe for more real conversations about credit, capital, and business strategy.